In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a project in Wrike. This is a valuable skill for any project manager or team member who needs to keep their workspace organized and efficient. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever browser you're most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, type Wrike into the search bar. Hit Enter, and then click on the Wrike website link to navigate to their homepage. Once you're on the Wrike homepage, you'll see options to either log in or try Wrike for free. Click on Log In if you already have an account. Otherwise, if you're new to Wrike and want to get started, go ahead and select Try Wrike for free to create a new account. For this tutorial, I'm going to assume you have a project already set up that you want to move. Next, you'll be taken to your Wrike workspace. From here, navigate to the space containing the project you want to move. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar that organizes all your spaces and projects. Carefully look through this sidebar and find the specific space where your project is located. Once you've identified it, click on the name of the space to enter it. Now that you're in the correct space, select the project you want to move. This is done simply by clicking on the project name from the list on the sidebar. Ensure that you're selecting the right project, as this is what you'll be repositioning. Once you've selected the correct project, click and hold your mouse on it. At this point, you're ready to start dragging the project. Simply keep your mouse button pressed and move your cursor towards the name of the target folder, project, or even another space where you want to relocate your project. Wrike makes it very intuitive with its drag and drop functionality, so you should see visual guidance as you drag the project towards its new location. Finally, once you have the project over the desired folder or space, release your mouse button to drop the project. Congratulations! You have now successfully moved your project in Wrike. The project and all of its associated tasks and details will now appear in the new location, and you'll maintain all your data integrity. I hope you found this guide helpful. Moving projects in Wrike is a simple yet powerful way to keep your workspace well organized and easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Wrike.